गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम टू प्लस फोकस 2024 जो कि शुरू हो चुका है यशोभूमि द्वारका में। आप लोग यहाँ आके विजिट कर सकते हैं और जो भी लोग प्लास्टिक रिलेटेड इंडस्ट्री से रिलेट करते हैं तो आपके लिए मस्त मस्त वीडियो रहने वाला है। अगर आप बिजनेस भी करना चाह रहे हैं तो भी आपको मैं ऐसी कंपनी के पास लेके आया हूँ आज, जो कि तमिलनाडु बेस्ड है और आपके लिए काफी सारी चीजें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करती है प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज में। तो चलिए बात करेंगे डायरेक्ट कंपनी में और देख लेंगे किस तरीके से प्रोडक्ट रहने वाले हैं, किस तरीके से मशीनें काम करेंगी इनकी। आपको डेमो सब कुछ दिखाया जाएगा और बिजनेस अगर करना चाह रहे हैं तो नंबर दिया जाएगा, आप डायरेक्ट इनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो हाय सर।
Hi sir.
So please introduce yourself and your company, our audience, and kind of something about your machinery, please.
Hi. My name is Prabhakar. This is SBM Industries. In actually, this machine the Dori Banatur.
Okay.
Actually, sutli plant.
Okay.
This capacity near about per hour near about 35 kilo. This machine running this machine because the virgin material and the road waste, the raffia grade waste will be making a lumps after they grind it. Niche the plant is the good quality of the sutli twine, plastic twine plant.
Okay. So basically सुतली जो आप बोल रहे हैं ये कंप्लीट प्लास्टिक बेस्ड सारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है आपका।
Correct.
तो कंप्लीट अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इसका मशीनरी इसमें सारी मशीन्स आप बनाते हैं?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Different type of the machinery.
Okay.
This 55 mm plant will be 35 kilo.
Okay.
Near about again one 65 mm near about 60 kilo. Near about 75 mm extrusion 90 kilo. Near about 100 mm extrusion near about 120 kilo also.
Very nice.
With different machine, different sizes also.
Right.
1 mm to 10 mm.
Okay.
The size will be different sizes. You making rope.
तो पर्टिकुलर ये प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज में हर जगह काम आने वाला प्रोडक्ट है।
Yes.
पैकिंग के लिए बेसिकली
Everything. Packing, agri sector,
Okay.
agriculture based. Everything this plant will be very important. Be rope making, the basic machine be this one machine actually.
सो दोस्तों चलिए आगे चलते हैं और मशीनरी के डेमो के साथ साथ आपको पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया जाएगा बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और जो भी चैनल पे नए जुड़े हैं वो इस वीडियो को ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि आपके लिए ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव और न्यू बिजनेस आइडिया वीडियोस आते रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
This is a sutli plant. This is a near about 55 mm extrusion per hour. Production near about 35 to 40 kilo per hour. This is inside the material granule. Okay. This is the extrusion. This is auto screen changer with T-die, the inner water bath quenching tank also.
So this tank is kind of a
The cooling
tank.
Cooling, yeah.
Cooling system.
Yes.
Okay.
The inner slat is the slitting area. Okay. In the hot plate, this one hot plate. Is come.
And what is the function of this? Is
The hot plate will be everything controlled by electricals. Okay. This is a slitting, everything the rollers, groove rollers. You make it the sizes, different sizes. 3 mm, 5 mm, different sizes. Example, this one model also, this making 3 mm. The chota size also, you make it a ball type, you make it a ball type winding also.
Okay.
Both are possible this machine.
And length is also same for every machine.
Everything is different. 1 mm to 10 mm make different.
Okay.
You make it a rope, be making a first twine. After that winder will be winder. After that the twine. It's actually be maybe possible. This one rope.
Okay. And color is also customized.
Everything change. More colors will be changed. Near but different type of color be changed in the machine.
So this is your completely in-house manufacturing machine.
Yes. Yeah. We come in the winder. You make it this machine will be these colors. This is on 3 mm. You make it 3 mm. This model. Okay. Actually make it the big size will be possible this machine. More different. 1 mm to 10 mm. Make it the twine. Sutli.
वारंटी गारंटी को जैसे रखे हैं।
Yeah, 1 year guarantee and warranty. Everything ISO standard item. Multinational companies motors with drives everything multinational companies. Every around the world, supply machine around the world. Make in India.
Right.
9 station. Be also smart and higher also will be possible. Make it this one, this rollers and winder also. This one also possible. Big size. Everything easy, very easy to use for a particular line. The packaging industry, everything. This is the latest machine for eco recycling plant. Only for hand feeding, the recycling for every material. All items will be eco-friendly recycling. No water, no smoke, no dust, no noise also. One machine, many solutions. Biodegradable waste, LDB waste, drip irrigation, Every item, sir, particularly near about 10 items for the one machine. With no water, very good machine. Nowadays in India, I will introduce in India. Then make it a German technology, actually. Yeah, this is actually this one, the sink package. It's waste packing rollers. We make it inside the machine. We make it in cooling. We cutting here. This one cutting. Here cutting material everything. This is everything cooling blowers. Okay. Afterwards will be output the material. This one. Here one will come. This one.
So this is final product.
Yeah, this is the final product.
Okay. And what about the quality, efficiency, accuracy is kind of?
Because no black car, but equal quality of virgin, equal quality, no change of colors. Very better than your power will be very less power. Quality is more quality. Now it is first time in India I will introduce my company. So in Make in India, the raw material value will be higher. The recycling value will be lower the cost. The more production will be more profitability. This is the plant using for every manufacturer for blown film, set film manufacturers. Very useful the plant. One plant waste, consider the one granule, day by day. The waste, every day waste, every day using the granule. You make it granule, cost will be very lower.
Okay. So if anyone wants to connect with you in B2B market, anyone, so what's the right process? Your contact number, email ID.
Yeah, this is my number 90435811119. My mail ID sbmindia2020@gmail.com.
And how many days are you here?
Here in the 1 to 5. Actually, yeah, February 1 to 5.
Yes.
This is very good exhibition. Thank you to join you. Thank you. Nice day.
Thank you so much for this, sir.
Thank you.